After setting the strategy, the first thing you have to do is build a basic robot structure. Now you are seeing two robots on my table. On the right side, this is the basic LEGO Rembot model, and on the left side, this is the robot model which we designed to solve this challenge. Now this robot model is not the outcome of a few days or a few hours. It took us a lot of effort and time to come up with this model which should be able to solve the challenge. Now when you start working on building a basic robot structure, then you can start with any model what you have or what you can build, because it's not required that in one chance itself you build the final robot structure which is going to solve the challenge. So I would suggest start with any basic robot model what you have, and slowly you will get to know after a lot of trial and error that what changes you have to do in the robot, what kind of motor or sensors are required to attach in the top to do some challenges on the mat, or different sub challenges which you have to solve using this robot. So make sure you start with any basic robot and start working on that, and at last you will get the final robot structure. Thank you so much.